Yes, good. Hello again, you fat-headed fat man.
Ah, good day, spy! Let us begin. It's tea time.
Yes.
Ah! Oh no! Belone! It is very bad! But Heavy will get sandwich from the scout! It is good idea!
How? Heavy.
Oh, spy! It is time to dance!
I do believe your oven has burst into flames.
Yet, it is steam from the steamed roast. Woo! As promised, Heavy will now put sandwich in your mouth.
What you said, steamed roast.
Ha ha! No! I said steamed toast. It is what I call sandwich.
You call your precious sandwich steamed toast.
Da! This is Russian.
Well, in my home, no one calls a sandwich.
No! It's Russian!
Okay, very nice. You know, this sandwich tastes like Scout.
Oh no! I promise you, it is heavy steamed toast.
Your steamed toast.
Yes!
And you call it steamed toast. But the bread is clearly fresh.
Yes. I think... You are... Wait!
Yes, yes.
Very good! I am full of sandwich!
Well, I'm going to... Good Lord! What the hell is that?
Engineer's teleporter!
How? Engineer's teleporter? At this time of year, at this time of the day, in this part of the map, placed here, in your home.
Yes.
Can I please see it?
Now!
Ah! Bloody fire!
Yet, the burning you feel, it is teleporter.
Well, you are an amateur and a fool, but your steamed toast is excellent.